Hey everybody, it's Roland the Real from Complete Trader Academy with another daily review. Today is Wednesday, November 16, 2022. All right, let's jump right into it here. We had a news day and it was a flop. This is the day's candle right here above me. I'm going to zoom in a little bit for you. Day opened up, came down, came up, and settled. Really sloppy day. One of the most sloppiest days I've seen in probably since this month, last month, this day right here. And before that, I really don't. I mean, this was a bad day, but really choppy, really indecisive, ping pong type of movement. I'm gonna jump right into the 5 minute just so you can see here. And so I got stopped out here. I was looking for sells here. Price came down, news opened up dramatically, came up, took me out. Now, I did have an understanding that there was money sitting here and sitting in here, and I was trying to attack this. So when I got stopped out here, and then the price came up, took this out, came down, and then broke up again here, from here, then I was just bullish temporarily until I was really trying to, besides getting into here, I was trying to take out this high. And then I was waiting for the drop. Then that was my daily bias type of thing. So now look at the price. I mean, it literally went nowhere in a, within like 100 points type of movement. 150 points movement didn't get out of this range. So we were stuck in this most of the day, but these were the trades for today. So coming in here, once this broke and came up, all right, played around a lot, came down, it came right into this demand block on the 5 minute right here. And this held for the rest of the day. This block literally, that's why I'm dragging it out across. You can see that it's respecting this level. And this is typical in a consolidation because that's what we're in. We're in a consolidation. Maybe they're saving more movement for tomorrow as far as the news comes. But I mean, manufacturing, it's not, I don't think it's that serious. I don't see how the news is going to be that big of a deal tomorrow. But at the end of the day, today was such a low volume day that we should expect a big volume day tomorrow. So as you see here, price buying up from here was good. Buying again from here was good. You caught this swing here, and so it covered the imbalance that I was looking for. Got into this supply wick right here. See that, how it fell down from there? But I was really hoping to get this high, and I was kind of married to the idea of it first because as you see, it kept getting closer, and this demand did not fail either, right? So price came up, came down, took you out here. Man, I hate when they do that. Let me just shrink this a little bit. All right, so when price came down here, tested it again, came out, tested again, took out that low. So you were trying to be a buyer here, and then took you out again. Came up, came back into this. See how this demand is holding? Price came up, broke again. So it's following order flow, but it's really tricking you. It's really not going anywhere. So really sloppy day. Once I took profit here, and then once I saw this again, I was done for the day. I was like, and you know what? And the funny thing is that I realized it was going to be a whack day when I saw this. And I was like, okay, so now you're going up. It's like, okay, and then when I saw this come down all the way back here and then only come here, I was like, yeah, this day is shot. I'm not even interested. And I got out. So yeah, I took my loss. I was trying to chase the market a little bit. I'm honest. I'm okay with it. It's not a big deal. And then it did give me a sign of hitting this 61 right here when it tapped. So I was like, that was an indication when I saw the displacement come after hitting that zone and it was a bullish candle, and it broke this high, I was like, okay, maybe we're going to see order flow up to here and take this out. And that's pretty much almost what happened. This was the least target, and then this was my desired target. So now we're stuck in this range, and we didn't go anywhere. So as far as tomorrow goes, let me go to a 15. Maybe this kind of opens up a little bit. Now let me go to an hour. So if you're looking at the hour chart now, what do we got? Same story if you watched yesterday's video. Look at the day. It didn't go anywhere. Stayed here. Another thing by the way, another thing is when I saw this, let me go to a 15 minute. When I saw what gave it away as well as it was not a great day was when I saw price open up, and then when I woke up, obviously I woke up over here, but when I saw like it took the low, and then it took the high, and then it took this high. See, when it took this high, that was a big sign to say, okay, we're going down, because we already took all the buy side of liquidity. All the stops here, all the liquidity sitting here, they've offered price already here. So where is the next, in my mind, where's the next price to hold? Well, it would be here. They would come down and take out these lows here, and then this general low. And then remember, I'm trying to get into this imbalance and finish it up. And then this major imbalance as well, to reprice. But that was a big giveaway. That was going to be an awkward day, because a majority of the movement of the day has pretty much happened in Asia and then London. So London took out this previous high. I'm like, well, what else are you going to do? So the next idea I had was, okay, price is going to come down. This is a higher high, make a higher low, right? This was the higher low in my mind. And then I was like, okay, well, they're going to come and take. So it's going to be a 3 drive. 1, 2, 3, and then come down. And this is what I was thinking, to at least get to this negative 27. See on this fib here. So that was what my logic was. And then it didn't happen technically. So it sat here in the middle of the whole day. So yeah, so basically what I'm looking for now that we have engineered liquidity, now I have liquidity sitting up here, and we have plenty of liquidity sitting down. So tomorrow is going to be, I'm assuming, a big range day. As you see the consolidation, see this? But is it going to go higher and take out this liquidity, or is it going to come lower and come here? Well, to me, in general, we're sort of still bullish. This is still see this here, this high and this higher low, high, higher low. So this is still kind of holding in a way, because yeah, it broke structure here, but at the same time, they're wicks, and it could be considered support, right? So we might see higher prices coming up into here for news and then sink, or it might just go bullish like we were talking, and to take out. So the highs here of the previous days, and then this high, this major high here is what's really important right now. Nothing else is on the bullish side. As far as the bearish side, I mean, I could see price coming into this block here, taking out this low, and then maybe starting the leg lower. So it's taking its time with this, but this is really suspect. So keep your eye on it. Look at the smaller time frames, and let Asia and London tell you what's going on. All right, hope this helps. Take care. God bless.